The overflow of large amounts of water beyond its normal limit, especially where it's expected to be dry land, lack of proper waterways, have been described as the major causes of flooding. The recent flooding in parts of the Federal Capital Territory resulted in loss of property worth millions of naira and the displacement of residents. The Director General of the Nigerian Hydrological Services, Dr. Clement, has called on people living in areas such as Lugbe, Gwagwalada, Lokogoma, and parts of Kubwa to take proactive measures towards combating flood.
In 32 states and FCT will be heavily impacted by flood in the case of 2023. Another 224 AGS, cutting across 35 states and FCT, will suffer another level of severity of flooding. We should take action for ourselves. How you dispose of waste in your environment matters a lot. Where you go and put your structures, your houses, whether temporary or main structures, people that are big people who are of influence can try to twist government to put their buildings that will block the waterways.
He called on people in the axis to familiarize themselves with local emergency plans, such as knowing where to go, raise furnaces, seal basement walls to prevent water seepage.
We mentioned Amak, where we are. We mentioned Gwagwalada, local government area. We mentioned Buhari, local government area, and then Kuje. So these areas, and that is why the FCT Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, for short, keeps organizing awareness programs.
He also said government will not relent in its effort to ensure timely intervention when the need arises. Juliet Dengiwa, ITV News.